Hello everybody, this is Brett from thefoodtruckguide.com, and in this series we're going to go over how to start a food truck business. We'll cover such items as generators, food trucks versus food trailers, which is better for your business model, how to write a business plan, licensing and incorporations, sole proprietor versus LLCs or S-corps. We'll cover other items as the food truck community and how they can help you build your business and relationships. So a little bit about myself. I've been in the restaurant business for over 25 years. I've owned a food truck for the past few years and started it from the ground up, from logo to design to all the paperwork, licensing, all that. I'm actually in the process of starting a new food truck in a totally different state, so I will be updating any new things that I find out as I go along. So just reach out, find us on the web, social media, via email, whatever. Give us a shout and say hello, and enjoy the series on how to start a food truck business.